In this video, we're going to take a look at a tool that lets anyone create stunning graphics without any knowledge of graphics designing. And it's as easy as just typing a prompt. It's called playground.com, and as you can see, all these AI generations, including the text, like in this case, which is like a movie poster. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the capabilities of logo design, t-shirt, social media post, art, poster. Obviously, once you go inside, you get to pick some templates, and then it will follow that style and change the logo accordingly. So for example, in this case, I want this type of logo, but instead of a rabbit, I want a cat, it would change that. But instead of doing that, I would simply create from an image. I can click on this button and it will ask me to drop the image. So I have dropped Mr. Beast's logo here, and let us check how it changes. And as you can see, it has recreated that image. And in order to just simply change, I can click on other options, that is like replace this tiger with something, or I can change the text or add some text. So I'll replace the tiger with a rabbit. So it is pretty much similar to the Mr. Beast logo in the same style, but it has changed the animal to rabbit. From here, I can just save it or share it with other people. Let's go back to see what else we can do. We can do t-shirt design as well. So in this concept, I can just click on this one and pick start from a template. But in this case, I'll again go and pick a brand new image. Something that I liked, which is a central figure looking at me and with a vertical and a horizontal text. I need something like this, but instead of this girl, I need a ninja and some different text. So as you can see, after prompting, it didn't change the character to a ninja. So let's try it something else. In our next experiment, I have given this John Wick poster to it, and later on I will ask it to create it into a ninja. Instead of guns, I need swords there, and let's see how it does with realism. I think it has worked really well. It has retained Keanu's face with swords, and even it has given it a ninja dress, and it has changed the text to Shadow Ninja Chronicles. So the last use case we are going to take a look at is a social media post where you have a product that you really like, but you want your product in that place with a similar vibe. So let's see. So first, when I upload it, it just checks out the image and recreates it in its own way. So if you just like something, you can just recreate it with AI and upload it straight away. But in case you need further more customization, you would need to use a prompt. So as you can see, compared to the original image, it has retained the color schemes and everything, and but on the subtitle it has messed up. So let's see if we can use this to create a post for a wrist band, like a fitness band. So I've given it a prompt to change the text to smartwatch as well as change the product to a watch. So let's see. As you can see, it has successfully even taken the vibe of your shoe and changed it to a watch along with a new arrival watch. Let's see if we can change the style. If you click on apply style, you can change it to a realistic one, or even like a different types of styles that they have given. So I'll create a frosted glaze, and let's see whether it makes it a frosted glaze type of a vibe. I think it has successfully changed the vibe of that image. So what I have realized from its experiments is that if the composition of image that you are giving it to recreate is too complex, like for example, this one, which is like too complex to understand, it would be able to recreate but not reinterpret, especially if it's like an anime type of a vibe. But for realistic images, as we can see, it recreated that John Wick image, and as well as it understood the vibe of that shoe and changed it to a smartwatch. So overall it would work. But like something like this, if you give and ask it to change it to a boy, I doubt it would be able to do it properly. But something like this, which is like a very clean image of a person, I think it will be able to really make it like hit it out of the park. So in terms of pricing, for free tier, it allows you to create 10 images per day, which is free to use commercially for your Instagram page, which is a lot if you're running an Instagram page or something. For serious brands, you can use this in place of a Canva and use like an open source editor to fix the minor changes like icons issue and text issues. But overall, it's a good tool to recreate and even create other things like mockups, stickers, and literally everything that you need for graphic design needs. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel.